Okay, remove the battery, replace the battery with a charged one. Just press the big red button there, put it back on, just clicks in. Is the battery charged? You've got 3 green LEDs. All 3 come on. I'm just lightly pressing the trigger. All 3 come on, battery fully charged. Okay, you've got the hand chuck, anti-clockwise. There's arrows on it to tell you when to open it. Clockwise, till you get to that clicking. You've done your best there. The next control we're going to look at is are you screwing, drilling, hammer drilling? Well, mostly I've been screwing a borehole in some very hard wood and then screwing. So I'm juggling between these two. When you encountering different situations, you then you will start learning how to use the torque control here. Here they suggest this is the screw control here. Screwing, you want to be turning slowly, and then you can go up to 30 torque. You'll get experience as to what you want here. Okay, so if you're in screw control, then this button here becomes relevant. It's, are you screwing or unscrewing? That's unscrewing, that's screwing. Next control, you've got a gearbox, 1 or 2. So 2 is faster. I'm mostly in 1. Then you've got the trigger. You'll learn to play with this. We're currently in screw control. So you'll learn to control. You've got very fine control over that. Very slowly turning. That's what you want for screwing, unless it's soft wood. Let's unscrew. So I hadn't quite pushed that through, it wouldn't let me switch it on. And you can see the little light that you'll find very useful when you're doing jobs in the evening or in the night. Okay, so that's it. That's all it is. It's a lovely drill. The controls are all very simple and obvious. Hand chuck, torque control, screwing, drilling or hammer drilling, 2-speed gearbox, and you've got here the screw unscrew. And the only thing I found, and I just demonstrated, is that you've got to make sure you push it right the way through. So this is actually my first electric screwdriver. How I've got to this age without using electric screwdriver, I don't really know. It's a magic tool. Okay, and then just check the battery. The battery hasn't been an issue. I've done a fairly big job and the battery lasted the whole time. And just read the instructions. And this is just, you'll find it easier to read the instructions once you've seen this little demo.